everyone! In this video, we are going to talk about LinkedIn targeting. LinkedIn is not just a regular social media network where you hang out with your friends. It's a professional network. You actually build different business connections there and you can search for a job. In the advertising business, LinkedIn is really moving forward. They're offering exclusive targeting options. In my opinion, LinkedIn is mostly for B2B users, but even for B2C, it's useful if you know what you're doing. If your offer is right and your images are correct, so you can succeed with LinkedIn advertising. So for their targeting, you have different options that you don't really have on any other platform. You can target by industry, you can target by job title, seniority, and so on. Let's just go ahead and see what options do we have on LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, it doesn't really matter what kind of objective are you using for your campaign. The targeting options are going to be the same. First targeting option that you're going to see on LinkedIn is location. In location, you're going to see two main options, recent or permanent location, or simply permanent location. I recommend to go with permanent location. Since you can't really split recent and permanent, it makes no sense to target both of them, just stay with permanent location. In a search bar, type whatever location you want to target. For example, if we're going to type Paris, we're going to receive both Paris city and Paris as a region. If we're going to choose a region, we're going to see that audience size is bigger than just for the city. Then we have an exclude option as well. It works if you want to exclude a specific city from the country that you're targeting. Or for example, if you want to target USA, but you want to exclude a specific state, you can do that by clicking on exclude button. And next option is who is your target audience. Here you can either narrow it down by choosing different options or exclude your audiences as well. Let's go ahead and click on narrow down and see what do we have. Two main options here are audiences and audience attributes. Difference between them are audiences are used for someone who already has tracking on their website, or if you have customers list or company list that you want to target, you can use this option to upload those lists into the system, create lookalikes, retargeting, and so on. As for regular targeting on LinkedIn, you need to go to audience attributes, and here you're going to see company, demographics, education, job experience, and interests and traits. In company, you can choose things like company size, company industry, or even target by company name. If you're going to choose company industry, for example, you will have more options coming through if you're going to click on any one of them. If you're going to choose education, you will see other subcategories here as well, and you can go deeper and deeper into these categories. As for company size, there are options like to target small companies up to 10 people or just one person, or big companies without any limit, 10,000 people and more. Then for demographics, you can target by age and gender. It's less popular targeting option on LinkedIn. The most popular options are definitely education and job experiences. For education, you can target by degree, field of study, or even by member schools. By job experiences, you can target by function, seniority, job titles, member skills, and years of experience. As for job function, you have general targeting here. What do I mean by that? If you're going to choose, for example, engineering is a very broad targeting option. By choosing engineers, you can target whoever has engineer degree. But if you want to be more specific, I would recommend go to job titles
and type specific title that you want to target. If you're not sure who you want to target, but you're sure about their position in the company, go to seniorities and you can choose to target by managers, directors, VP, CXO, owners, and partners. If you don't want to target by specific profession, you can always choose to target by member skill and type here any skill that you like to find. Then another option that LinkedIn can offer is interests and traits. In interests and traits, you can target people by specific products that they are looking for, like computer software or data science software, by general interests like finance, health, marketing, and advertising. By member traits, you can target people who are looking for a job, open to education, open to relocation, and many other amazing options that LinkedIn has. Let's make an example and see how we actually set up targeting on LinkedIn. For example, if you want to reach manager levels in big companies, you're going to choose company size and you're going to choose only big companies, like companies with 500 employers and more. Then you're going to go to job experience, job seniority, and you're going to select managers, directors, and CXOs. I'm not sure if owner and partners are going to be relevant here, but let's choose them as well. Now, when we did that, when we selected company size and job seniority, please notice that we have OR option between them. OR option tells me that I'm going to target either by company size or by seniority, which kind of makes no sense in this case, because if we're going to target only by company size, it means that we're going to reach anyone and everyone. And if we're going to target by seniority, it means that we are not excluding company size. So we can click on this and choose "and" instead. And instantly we can see that our target audience size has decreased. Now, this is one way to go about it. Another way is to use exclude option as well. It means that we can choose only one category here, either job seniority or company sizes, and other option we can simply exclude. For example, I can choose only company size here, but I am not sure who I want to target within the seniority group. So I'm going to remove all of these options, going to close it. Right now we have more than 2 million people that we can reach just by choosing company size. And by clicking on exclude, I can go to audience attributes, job experience, job seniority, and I can simply choose people who I do not want to target. I do not want to target unpaid, training, entry, and let's say that's it. So right now my audience size is still pretty big, but I'm not going to target all of these positions, but I'm still leaving to myself options to target managers, directors, VPs, and other people within these seniorities. So this is how you can actually work with targeting options on LinkedIn.
Once again, LinkedIn is a unique social media platform with a lot of possibilities. These targeting options can really help you to generate amazing results on this platform. So try it out, A/B test it, or BC test it, or CD test it. Well, test it out. Don't just use one targeting option and then say you didn't get the results you wanted. Test different options, check who you're reaching with your ads, and exclude people that you don't really want to target. And that's how you will succeed on LinkedIn. I wish you good luck, and I see you in the next one. Bye!